Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have a simple geometry question. In this question, we'll be finding the distance of a chord from the center of a circle. I'll solve the question and also point out simple mistakes students make when solving this question. I'll be glad you paused the video, solve the question before coming back to see my solution. That said, let's get into class. Our question says a chord of length 6 centimeters is drawn in a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. Now, the first thing we'll do is to draw the circle and envisage the chord. Here is the circle. Here is the chord. That is, from this point to this point, I have 6 centimeters. And is drawn in a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Now, here's the center of the circle, and the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So I can take this point to the circle to be my 5 centimeters. Now, I'm to find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. Now, here is the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. Now, if you look at this point here must hit this chord at the center of the chord, dividing the chord into two. So at this point, I'll have 3 centimeters. Now, the first mistake students make is failing to actually draw this circle and the chord. Drawing the circle and the chord will help you envisage the problem in a very good perspective. I can now bring out the necessary part of the diagram that I need. Now, here is H. I'll call this H, which is the distance between the chord and the center of the circle. Now, so I have brought out the necessary parts that I need. So here is H, here is 5, and here is 3 centimeters. Another simple problem students make is they replace the value of the chord for the radius. They mix both of them together. Watch out for that and don't make such mistakes. Now, and the third mistake students make is not understanding that the center of the circle to the chord will meet at a right angle triangle. So here is a right angle triangle. Here is a right angle triangle. Let's label this triangle. I'll label it A, O, and B. So at O here, I must have a right angle triangle. Now, if I have a right angle triangle, definitely I can apply Pythagoras theorem. So that my Pythagoras theorem tells me that the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, that is AB, line AB squared will be equals to line AO squared plus line OB squared. So that 5 squared now obviously is equals to H squared plus 3 squared. 5 squared minus 3 squared will be equals to H squared. 25 minus 9 is equals to H squared. 25 minus 9 is 16. That's equals to H squared. Now, to solve for H, we'll take the square root of both sides. So that the square root of 16 will obviously be equals to H. So that H now is equals to 4 centimeters. So the distance between the chord and the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. That's 4 centimeters. With this, I hope you understand how to find the distance of a chord from the center of the circle and also necessary problems you must avoid. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.